Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the two articles that we had presented to us for our readings in class this week. In the world we live in, one of the many constants that we deal with is transportation. Whether it is to get to work or to have fun, what is always guaranteed is that we will be using some sort of transportation to get to where we want to go. Yet, what we don't always really think about is the environmental tiptoeing, if you want to call it that localities have had to go through, if any, when building the very roads we travel on. This week's readings provided an insight into some of the issues that arise during this process. In our efforts to combat environmental degradation, we have done a number of things to ensure that the environments we build are safe and protected. The articles in question look at what happens when we, in an effort to be more environmentally friendly, go into these habitats in order to cut down our carbon footprint. In this case, one of the things stopping us from proceeding with this endeavor is the very thing we're trying to protect, the environment and its inhabitants. The desert tortoise, in this case, appeared to have a small footprint in the proposed area for the solar panel farm. It wasn't until further excavation occurred, once the project had been approved, that it was found that there were more tortoises in the area than they expected. Having done a preliminary investigation before construction began, this was definitely unexpected for this whole situation. Even with the many countermeasures being taken into account, the company building this solar farm noted the additional costs that the unfactored turtles would have on them and the eventual solar program that they were trying to put together. From the readings alone, it's noted that at one point they did actually downsize the program and the project in general in order to facilitate these turtles. As public administrators, it's going to be our job one day to deal with this issue, whether it's in a more public way through volunteering or something along those lines, or what's ultimately going to be the case, which is through policy. It is going to be our goal and our mission to ensure that not only are we cutting down on the carbon footprint that we are producing, but ensuring that the carbon footprint that we are trying to lessen is also being considerate of the habitats and the inhabitants that it has. Thank you.